kitchen is a really relaxed show. There's conversation, there's cocktails. It really is like hanging out with friends.
It is. You know, when you're at home with your friends, you all end up in the kitchen, always. So that's the concept of the show. There's 5 of us, and we're just hanging out in the kitchen, cooking and talking and having fun.
And that's what I love about it. It's literally like a visit with you guys.
It's totally
cool.
is.
Totally
yeah.
cool. All right, so what is the key, do you think, to the perfect patty melt? Award-winning patty melt maker, Katie Lee.
Well, I think the key is, there's a few things.
Okay.
First, the meat has to be properly seasoned.
Correct.
You know, you got to have enough salt and pepper in there. I put some grated onion.
Me too, I love that
thin.
in burgers. Yep.
You know, it's a thin patty.
Keeps it moist.
Right,
Yep.
yeah, so I put that in there. And then melted cheese. The cheese has to be good and melted. And the bread has to be properly buttered.
You need even butter distribution, people.
Very important. And very melted cheese.
Yes.
You know, I want the cheese to like drip around
with the cheese.
it.
Yes.
So I do cheese on both sides.
Both sides, because it's the glue.
Yes.
Oh my God, my patty melt buddy.